And action!
Hello! So today we have a new video of an unboxing. As you can see, I know you know where's coming from this bag, this orange one. It's coming from Hermes. So we went there like 1 week ago, no, Carlo?
Yeah.
So I will just show you the two different items we have there. So this one. And the second one. This is this one. During so much time we were dreaming with Carlo to have an orange box. Now we have it. So I will just start to present you that, and after we'll show you the receipt. Start to open it. Try to help me with your mind at home too. Ready? So I try to do it like that, I don't want to break it. So what's that? It's a plate. So technically it's a soup plate. So you have the recommendations how to wash it, like hand wash, you know. And no microwave, of course. So look at that, this is really the details. I don't know if you can really see it with the video. And it's porcelain. You have the like metal on the border, what's the name? Like metal. On the down you have the name of the collection, Mosaique 24. Plus the logo and the made in France. So this is super thin, light,
And shallow.
And fancy, of course. So on those two plates of soup, they're an addition of our collection we started. So yeah, it's step by step. You have so much options with Hermes. So I guess we have so much shopping session to do for to be completely set. You have two in the box. And yeah, we are ready to have a nice soup moment with Carlo. So now we present you the receipt.
Okay.
So the receipt, so the price was, the name exactly, it's Mosaique 024 Platinum Soup Plate. We bought two of them. So I'll show you that. 200, I don't know if you can see. $235 each. So yeah, it's an investment, but yeah, it's good. So it's hard to have it in stores, so you need to if you have your own what's the name, sales associate, you can ask if it's available. You can check online on the website. And yeah, so this is a perfume. So the name is Un Jardin Apres la Mousson, so it's a unisex.
So this one is the continuation of the video. Ta-da! So this is the Hermes perfume, Un Jardin Apres la Mousson. He will translate it for you. Anyway, this one, it says here, the Hermes Garden Perfumes Collection. Hermes celebrates India and sees it in an unusual light with the creation of Un Jardin Apres la Mousson. And then this eau de toilette carries us to the Kerala after the monsoon rains, offering the experience of a singular moment in time marked by nature's rebirth. So here you go. Let's see. Ta-da! It's color green. We'll smell it right now. It's glass. The smell is, let's see. Smell. There you go. So this one is 100 milligram, 3.3 FLOs, made in France, and yeah, The good thing about Hermes perfume, for me, is that I feel like it lasts longer than the other luxury designer perfumes. This one is tested already. We have the other one that we just finished. It's a different one. And then yeah, but this one, it's we already proven that this one lasts for a long time, and then you can still smell it when you put it on in the morning, and then it lasts until the evening, so which is really nice. So this one is that. It's a beautiful, beautiful smell. The smell of this one is like warm, spicy. It's a fresh, spicy type of thing with ginger and ginger lily. It's unisex. It can be for men or women because of its warm spice scent of it. It does have a little bit of citrusy scent of this, and then the water lily and ginger flower. So yeah. We hope that you love this video regarding about Hermes. We are showing you how much we love the product, and then our growing Mosaique U24 Platinum collection. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you again in the next video. We love you all. We'll see you again. Bye.